In a quiet village nestled near a vast river and lush hills, there lived an elderly monk named Ravi, who was known for his calm demeanor and boundless wisdom. Though many referred to him as a monk, he never lived in a monastery. Instead, he stayed in a humble hut and spent his time helping villagers understand the ways of life. Not far from this village lived a man named Dinesh, a celebrated tea master. His tea was unlike anything anyone has ever tasted. People traveled from distant places just to savor a cup brewed by his hands. His fame grew, and with it, a quiet pride began to bloom in his heart. One day, Dinesh heard about Ravi, the old monk. If he is truly wise, Dinesh thought, he will appreciate the tea I make. I will impress him. So, Dinesh packed his finest leaves, polished his teapot until it gleamed, and set off on foot. When he arrived at Ravi's home, the monk greeted him with a kind smile and gestured for him to sit. I have heard of your wisdom, Dinesh said as he began his tea ritual. Today, I bring you the finest tea you'll ever taste. Ravi nodded and held out a simple clay cup. Dinesh poured the tea slowly, but as the cup filled, Ravi didn't stop. Dinesh continued to pour, and soon the tea overflowed, spilling onto the ground. Startled, Dinesh pulled the pot back. Why didn't you tell me to stop? He asked. Ravi wiped the drops from his robe. You came to impress, not to learn, he said gently. Just like the cup, your mind is full of pride and assumptions. Until you empty it, no wisdom can be poured in. Humbled, Dinesh bowed deeply. He realized that true mastery isn't about impressing others. It's about staying curious, humble, and open to learning.